This is a remanufactured 115 Evinrude. It was originally built about 1989. So the question is this old two-stroke environmentally friendly? And most people intuitively will say, well, no. Most people know that the older technology is got more, pollutes more as it runs. But what people don't realize is as you dispose of things and as you fill landfills or bring it to the scrapyard, it gets melted down. And when you melt down aluminum or any kind of alloy, and of course you're gonna have plastic in there, you're gonna have paint in there, that's pretty bad for the environment. And it also gets created an ingot, and then it gets melted down again, whereas its end manufacturing process where it's built again, hopefully, usually overseas. So remanufacturing, and you can look this up on the web, is one of the most ecologically friendly things to do for the environment. Not only does it save you money, but it prevents new products being manufactured, which of course factories also create pollution. So don't look at things simply. You can have something old remanufactured or save your old product, and you can save the environment and save a lot of money at the same time.